Chapter 2 Acid, Bases and Salts. Now, acid. What are the properties of acids? Acids are sour in taste. It change blue litmus to red. When we put a drop or substance in a blue litmus paper, the color of the blue litmus will convert into red color. It shows the presence of acid in the substance. Acid is corrosive in nature. The pH of acid is less than 7. Okay, 1 to 7. pH of acid is less than 7. All acid react with metal to release hydrogen gas. When acid react with metals, it releases hydrogen gas. For example, when HCl react with any metal, then what will happen? Sodium chloride will form and it will produce hydrogen gas. Okay. So all acid react with metal form hydrogen gas. The acid present in plant material and animals are called organic acid. So acid which are present in plant materials and animals are called organic acid. For example, acetic acid, vinegar, citric acid found in lemon, orange, lactic acid found in curd or milk, tartaric acid found in tamarind, and formic acid found in ant sting. Okay. The acid prepared from the minerals of the earth are called mineral acids. For example, sulfuric acid, that is H2SO4, nitric acid, HNO3, and hydrochloric acid, HCl. Got it? Next is properties of bases. Bases are bitter in taste. They are soapy in touch. They are soapy. They change the color of litmus red to blue. Base substance can change the color of litmus paper from red to blue, and blue litmus paper will remain blue, but red litmus paper will convert into blue color. They can conduct electricity. Bases react with acid to form salt and water. When base react with acid, it forms salt and water. Okay. The pH value of bases ranges from 8 to, here you can see 14. 8 to 14. When dissolved in water, bases release hydroxide ion, means OH ion, when dissolved in water. Sodium hydroxide, example sodium hydroxide, milk of magnesium, magnesium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, all these are base. It contains OH ions. Example of natural bases are washing soda, sodium carbonate, baking soda, that is sodium bicarbonate. These are natural acids. Got it? Next is neutral substances. These substances do not display any acids or basic characteristics. They are neutral. They do not show any acids or basic characteristics. pH value is 7. pH value of water is 7. Water is neutral, neither acid nor base. Neutral substances have no effect on red or blue litmus paper. In any litmus paper or any indicator, it does not show any effect. The pH of pure water is exactly 7. Example, water, common salt, etc. Now let's discuss about strong and weak acid. We have discussed about the properties of acids. Now let's discuss about strong and weak acid. So an acid which dissociate completely or almost completely in water. Acid which dissociate completely or almost completely in water are strong acid. Strong acid like sulfuric acid, hydrochloric acid, etc. Here you can see hydrochloric acid is a strong acid, as I told you the example of strong acid. And in water it dissociate into hydrogen and chloride ion. So acid dissociate completely. Here completely dissociation is occurred. So it is strong acid. Now let's discuss about the weak acid. An acid that dissociate only partially when dissolved in water are weak acid. Weak acid like acetic acid and formic acid, CH3COH, H2O. Here you can see CH3COO. plus hydrogen ion. Okay, here you can see only partial hydrogen ion, only partial acid is dissociated. That's why it is weak acid. Okay. Now, strong base and weak base. A strong base is completely dissociates into iron, hydroxide ion when in water. Potassium hydroxide, sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide in water, break in sodium hydroxide. Here you can see the complete dissociation of base, NaOH. Okay. Now there is incomplete in weak base. There is incomplete dissociation of hydroxide ion, NH3H2O. When ammonia dissolve in water, it form ammonium ion and hydroxide ion. OH ion is not completely dissociated. That's why it is weak base. Now let's discuss about indicator through which we can identify the substance is basic, acid or neutral. So there are different type of indicator, various types: red litmus, blue litmus, phenolphthalein, methyl orange. These indicators tell us whether a substance is acidic or basic by change in color. pH indicator, also known as acid-base indicators. So acid-base indicators are substances which change color with pH. As we have discussed that acid change the blue litmus into red, base change the red litmus into blue, and blue litmus will remain blue. Okay, so it indicates tell us whether the substance is acidic or basic by changing in color. By changing color, we can identify the substance is basic or acidic. Now let's discuss about these indicators: red litmus, blue litmus, phenolphthalein, and methyl orange. Now here we taken a different samples acid. So when we take any acid substance, suppose nitric acid or any natural acid like orange, lemons, and put a drop on this red litmus, then it will remain red. It shows the presence of acid. When we put a drop of lemon in red litmus will remain red in color. It shows the presence of acid in that substance. And blue litmus paper will convert into red color. It also shows the presence of acid. And on phenolphthalein solution, the color solution of the color of phenolphthalein will be colorless. It shows the presence of acid. And methyl orange will convert into red color. Methyl orange will convert into red color. Red litmus paper on the presence of base, red litmus paper will convert into blue. Blue litmus will remain blue. Phenolphthalein solution, pink, it will convert into pink. And methyl orange solution will convert into yellow color. And on neutral substance like water, red litmus will remain red. No changes will be observed here. Phenolphthalein will be colorless. Methyl orange or it will be remain orange. Okay. So in this way we can identify the given substance is acid, base or neutral.